Need a quick, protein-packed breakfast? These freezer-friendly burritos are my go-to. For my veg, I'm using red onion with a small dice and orange and yellow peppers. Here's how they should look. Time to cook your turkey. Add in paprika and Kinder's taco blend. Time for your veggies. Soften them up in the pan. Cracking your 8 eggs. Everything comes together in the wok. Add cottage cheese, cheddar, and mozzarella. This is how it should look. Load it up into low-carb wraps. This batch makes a total of 8. You want to fold in the sides and pretty much just tuck it over and roll. Golden brown on the outside, cheesy and loaded on the inside. Easy protein, meal prep friendly, and way better than the drive-thru. Now for a taste. Perfect for now, and the rest into the freezer for a quick breakfast.